Hello everybody, welcome once again to a new video of Weekend Crystal Vibes. And before we kickstart to the new video, I want to first of all congratulate Tina Pahuja for being the winner of the last week's Weekend Crystal Vibes. Thank you so much, Tina. Kindly share your address with us so that we can dispatch your free giveaway and spread more and more crystal good vibes all around. Now coming back to this current video for this particular weekend, the rules are the same. You need to watch this video, you need to comment on whichever crystal you are feeling drawn towards, and then after doing that you need to take a screenshot and share this as a story on your Instagram and tag us in that. Once again, you need to take a screenshot of this video and tag us on your Instagram stories so that we can consider you for the free giveaway. And for this week's giveaway, we have some very exciting and useful crystals. That is, we have some interesting keychains which basically have a beautiful crystal at the bottom, so you can use it for any kind of purpose. You can use it like a keychain for your house, for your vehicle, for your drawer, for your locker, anything. Isn't that pretty cool and simple and easy to use? So without wasting much time, let's start with this particular week's crystal guidance, and you have to comment which particular crystal you are feeling drawn towards, keeping how you want to spend your weekend in your mind. It's going to be a very general guidance with no specific questions. Just close your eyes, think about the kind of vibes you want to use to create your weekend, what kind of energy you want to attract over the weekend, and once you have done that, simply open your eyes and comment below whichever particular crystal you are feeling drawn towards. Whether it is the first purple one, whether it is the green one, whether it is the yellow one. You have to comment which particular crystal you are feeling drawn towards, and after doing that you can directly swipe this video to the timestamp for the answers which is mentioned against each particular crystal, that is purple, green and yellow. So now let's begin with the answers. So if you have commented on the purple crystal, then this is the guidance that you are getting from the higher powers for this particular weekend, that is Saturday and Sunday. So with the beautiful combination of the amethyst crystal along with this beautiful angel message which is coming via Archangel Gabriel, this weekend is all about exploring the artistic aspect within yourself. When I talk about artistic aspect, it could be maybe you are good at painting or drawing or just designing, or maybe some kind of arts and craft. This is the weekend where you should invest your time and energy into pursuing something of this sort. If you feel that that maybe insecurities are holding you back, or the judgments of other people are holding you back, just close your eyes, take a deep breath, think about the energies of this crystal and think about the energies of Archangel Gabriel. Seek for some confidence, some inner strength, and go all in. It does not have to be mandatorily something to do with your career, but this is simply to bring out the positive fresh energies out in the weekend. So ensure that you invest some quality time in doing something creative, be it painting, drawing, it could be stitching, it could be knitting, it could be designing, it could be any kind of thing that you really enjoy doing but you haven't been able to take out time because of the fast pace of life. And second message is coming for you is that you need to activate your third eye chakra, because the amethyst is all about your upper chakras, which is the third eye chakra. So you need to also meditate holding an amethyst in your hand. This will help you to activate and enhance the vibrations of the third eye chakra. So I hope you have a beautiful, simple and lovely weekend ahead. And if you actually end up investing your time in these creative activities, I would love to see a photo of your project which you have created over the weekend. Do not shy away from sharing it with everybody around. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you soon again. Take care. Namaste. So if you have commented on the green crystal below, then this is the message for you, which is a combination of the green aventurine along with a beautiful message from Archangel Raphael, who is all about, healing your heart chakra. And this crystal is also about getting some good luck and healing your heart chakra as well. So this weekend is all about taking some rest and detoxing yourself from all the heaviness, from all the physical exertion that you have had throughout this entire week from Monday to Friday. And this weekend, that is Saturday and Sunday, the Archangel and the crystal energies are guiding you towards being more and more physically relaxed and taking good care of yourself. It could just be spending your time sleeping, or just maybe watching something light on television. It could also be just simply not doing anything. You can even spend your time just taking a walk in the garden, or just whiling away your time, just helping yourself to detox and recover from all the exertion that you have done throughout the week. So it's definitely a very simple and an important message. At times we keep running, thinking that time is important. Yes, time is important, but at the same time, so is our health. Exactly. So we cannot expect to be constantly working 24/7 and not giving our body some physical rest. So this weekend is all about resting and healing your own self. And once you become positive in terms of your energy vibrations, you automatically are able to spread the vibrations all around us and create a better environment as well. So this weekend, you only have to invest in your own self, rest, eat, sleep, and repeat. I hope you like this message, and I hope you seriously consider this message. Let me know if you can resonate with this particular message, and thank you once again for watching this video. I will see you soon again next week. Till then, namaste. So if you have commented on the yellow crystal below, and this is the message for you, it's a very important message where it's a combination of the jade crystal along with the energies of the angel Fiona, which talk about that this is the weekend, this Saturday and Sunday, you need to be receptive towards whatever is coming your way. It is highly possible that there could be some pending project, some pending decision, something which is work in progress, which will actually come to a finished product stage. Alright, so there's a high possibility that you have been expecting something for quite some time now, and suddenly this weekend will be the time when it will actually come to a completion stage. So that's a good news. All you have to do is be receptive and open to receiving messages. At times we are expecting something, but on the other hand we are also so anxious about it. But this message tells that there is absolutely no point in keeping up anxiety, because whatever has to happen will happen. So your anxiety will only act like an energy obstacle. So the best part is to take in some optimism, some good vibes from the yellow jade crystal. Think about the yellow color, meditate on the yellow color, try to have lots and lots of food items which are yellow in color, and ensure that your lower chakras like the sacral chakra and the solar plexus chakra are constantly activated and energized. You can also invest this particular weekend in some kind of sports activity, be it running or gymming or yoga or exercise, or simply just jumping or skipping as well. So this is the week where Fiona Angel and the jade crystal energies are telling that yes, you will be able to receive something which has been pending for quite some time now, but all you need to do is be receptive and create the energy space for that. And in order to do that, you need to work out a bit, create some energy space by investing your time in some physical workout and some physical activity as well. So this is the message for you for this particular weekend, for Saturday and Sunday. Just be open and receptive to whatever is coming your way, and create energy space for that. I hope you like this video. I will see you very, very soon again in the next week's weekly tarot card reading on Thursday. Till then, take care. Thank you once again. Namaste.